If you've ever wished for a single kitchen appliance that can replace multiple tools and cooking methods, your wish has come true. Introducing this Ninja Foodi PossibleCooker Plus, the revolutionary 6-in-1 multi-cooker designed to elevate your cooking experience, save you time, and make meal prep easier than ever before. Whether you're an experienced chef or just starting your culinary journey, this all-in-one appliance is a must-have for anyone who loves convenience without compromising on flavor or versatility. Key features and benefits. All-in-one convenience. The Ninja Foodi PossibleCooker Plus can replace a variety of appliances, eliminating the need for a slow cooker, food warmer, non-stick pot, sauté pan, cast iron skillet, saucier, saucepan, stock pot, Dutch oven, roasting pan, bread maker, and even a utensil. Imagine the space saved in your kitchen with just one appliance handling it all. Perfect for small spaces. If you're in a dorm, apartment, or have limited counter space, this multi-cooker's versatility means you don't need to invest in multiple bulky appliances. Cook with ease. With its bottom heating elements, you can sear proteins and sauté vegetables directly in the pot. This eliminates the need for transferring food to the stovetop, reducing mess and cleanup. Faster meal prep. With the sear and sauté functions, you can caramelize onions, sear steaks, or brown meats, all in one place, creating a flavorful base for your dishes. Finish your meals in the oven. The removable cooking pot is oven-safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing you to finish dishes like casseroles or roasted meats with a crispy, golden top. No need to switch to a separate pan or baking dish, just pop the entire pot into your oven for a convenient and delicious result. Versatile cooking. Whether you're slow cooking, braising, or baking, this cooker can handle it all, helping you achieve the perfect texture every time. Perfect for entertaining. With an impressive 8.5-quart capacity, the Ninja Foodi PossibleCooker Plus is perfect for making large meals for your family or friends. Cook chili for up to 20 people. 9 pounds of spaghetti and meatballs, or enough pulled pork for 30 sliders, ideal for holiday dinners, parties, or weekend family gatherings. Big batch cooking. If you love preparing meals ahead of time, this cooker's large size allows you to create enough food to last for days, whether you're meal prepping or hosting a special event. Cook faster and more evenly. The triple fusion heat technology combines bottom, side, and steam heat, allowing the Ninja Foodi PossibleCooker Plus to cook up to 30% faster than conventional ovens. Test results on 6-pound chickens show that you can get evenly cooked meals in less time, giving you more freedom to enjoy your day. Efficient heat distribution. This advanced technology ensures that your meals are cooked evenly, locking in moisture, flavor, and nutrients. Multifunctionality. The Ninja Foodi PossibleCooker Plus offers 6 cooking functions to suit a variety of meals. Slow cook for tender, fall-apart meals like stews and roasts. Sear sauté for browning and cooking meats and veggies. Keep warm, perfect for keeping food at the ideal serving temperature. Sous vide for precision cooking at low temperatures, ensuring perfectly cooked meats. Braise for juicy, slow-cooked meats and vegetables. Proof. Ideal for baking bread and pastries with the perfect rise. Non-stick surface. The non-stick cooking pot makes cleanup a breeze. Simply wipe away any messes with a damp cloth, or place the pot and the glass lid in the dishwasher for quick and easy cleaning. Dishwasher-safe lid and utensil. The included multifunctional utensil, which doubles as a ladle and pasta fork, is also dishwasher-safe, making cleanup even more convenient. Free from harmful chemicals. The Ninja Foodi PossibleCooker Plus is PFOA, cadmium, and lead-free, ensuring that you're cooking with safe materials. User-friendly. Designed with ease of use in mind, this multi-cooker offers intuitive controls, making it accessible even for beginners. Whether you're making a quick meal or preparing a gourmet dish, you'll feel confident in the kitchen with this appliance. Why choose the Ninja Foodi PossibleCooker Plus? Save time. With its ability to cook up to 30% faster than conventional ovens, this multi-cooker is perfect for busy households, helping you prepare quick, delicious meals without the long wait. Perfect for meal prep and large families, the 8.5-quart capacity ensures that you can cook enough food to feed the whole family or prepare large batches for the week ahead. Versatility at its best. The 6 cooking functions allow you to easily switch between slow cooking, searing, baking, and more, offering endless possibilities in one pot. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.